Assalamualaikum, my name is Asyhrani Binti Ismail. My matching number is 248124. So today I will explain about our business plan. We choose Resepi Sambal as our business. I will explain from executive summary until marketing strategy, and the rest will be explained by my friends. Now I will proceed to the first one, which is our business profile. As I mentioned before, our business name is Resepi Sambal. Our business located at Varsity Mall, Unit C, Malaysia. Our operation hour is from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. We produce sambal hitam and our price range is from 18 ringgit. We start our business on 1st October 2020. Next, I will explain our business value. We have three business value. The first one is business hour. We will run our service 7 days a week from Sunday to Saturday, and the delivery start from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. Second is door-to-door approach. We provide this service to those students and people around UUM in Changlun. They just waiting at their room or home. They did not have to get ready or go anywhere to get the foods. Third is standard affordable price. We set the price based on market or similar food delivery service. The purpose of our business is to provide a medium that facilitates both of the entity, which the seller with the customer or student that give interest for both of them by providing a delivery of our recipe sambal shop. Using door-to-door approach at student residential or home. Our business is a partnership business, so we have 4 partners and each partner has their own responsibilities. Nurul Syahirah as a managing director, Anissha Nabilla as a sales and marketing manager, me, Shasleen Asyhrani, as a delivery manager, and Siti Syazana as a financial manager. Next is our vision and mission. Our vision is to serve the best food delivery service and serve delicious and quality food at affordable price. While our mission is to become a leading in food delivery service in Changlun. Now I will explain our SWOT analysis. Our strength is provide a ready meal food that everyone can enjoy despite of diversity of religious and ethnic. Sambal was cooked by experienced person and sambal was being sold every day. Our weaknesses is damage of sambal during delivery, few similar competitors in this food delivery service, and miscounted the amount of estimate sambal to be sold. Our opportunities is likely to have quite amount of sale as most people like to eat sambal. Likely to have quite amount of order as there are not enough time to cook or go to cafe. Our trade is loss of customer, may not reach targeted break-even sale and spoil the expected loyal customer as they will have a bad perception towards the business. Our targeted market is UUM student, UUM lecturer and people around Changlun. We provide halal food and suitable for all Muslim students and variety of races. We also focus on busy people because this group has hectic schedule and need to focus more on their professional careers. So they don't have enough time to cook. And our sambal is the best choice. We choose to sell sambal because most people like to eat sambal with rice taking their lunch. So they have simple lunch without go to cafe to buy foods. Next, I will explain about our marketing strategy. We have 3 marketing strategy which is product and price, promotion and implementation. For product and price, we use quality ingredient to making the sambal. This sambal cooked by experienced persons. Our sambal has neat and clean packaging. We also sell at affordable price. For promotion, we promote our sambal through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and face-to-face promotions. For implementation, we provide delivery door-to-door approach to all customers. We increase volume of stock during half to the end of the semester because student does not have enough money and busy preparing assignments and examinations. But during semester break, we decrease the volume because a lot of students not stay at UUM.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Syazana Binti Dahari, metric number 272623. Now I will continue to present CVP analysis and break-even. Under CVP analysis, we have fixed cost, variable cost, and overhead cost. Fixed cost contain rental, utilities, and management team salary. So the total for fixed cost is 5,950. And for the variable cost, we have direct raw material, which is 8 ringgit per bottle. And overhead cost contain indirect material, packaging bottles, and direct labor. The selling price for our sambal hitam is 18 ringgit per bottle. Next, for break-even analysis. The break-even point can be defined as a point where total cost expenditure and the total sales revenue are equal. It could be defined as a break-even point where the profit or loss is not net. Any business that wants to make abnormal profit wants to make an equal split. The business just breaks down equally. Graphically, this is the point where the total cost and the total revenue curve are met. So the contribution margin per unit for our product is 10 ringgit and break-even point per unit is 595 bottle. After that, contribution margin ratio will have 56% and break-even point for ringgit Malaysia is 10,625 ringgit. Based on the calculation, Resepi Sambal Shah will need to sell 595 bottles to break even, which is RM 10,625 in total sales revenue. After that, CVP analysis. Cost volume profit analysis is used to determine how change in cost and volume affect a company operation, income, and net income. In performing this analysis, there are several assumptions made, including sales price per unit is constant, variable cost per unit are constant, total fixed costs are constant, everything produced is sold, costs are only affected because activity change. CVP analysis requires that all the company costs including manufacturing, selling, and administrative costs be identified as variable or fixed. So we can see from break-even graph, which is selling price is 18 ringgit, variable cost 8 ringgit, contribution margin 10 ringgit, and fixed cost 5,950 ringgit. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Anissha Nabilla binti Jamal. My metric number is 272837. Today I will talk about operating budget for Resepi Sambal Shah. First, sales budget. Total units sold for 3 months of Resepi Sambal Shah are 3,750. Total sales revenue for 3 months are 67,500. And for each month, October 18,000, November 22,500, December 27,000. The next, raw material budget. Total raw material needed per kg 937.5 kg. Total purchase of raw material for 3 months 975, and the total budget cost of raw material purchase RM for 3 months are 31,200, and for each month October 8,320, for November 10,680, and for December 12,200. Additional information: 250 grams of raw material needed to produce 1 bottle of sambal hitam. Raw material per 1 kilogram is RM32 ringgit. 10% of current month inventory needed for ending inventories. Next, direct labor budget. Total labor hour for each month for October 200, for November 250, and December 300, and the total 750. And total budget direct labor cost for 3 months are same 1,000 and the total is 3,000 and the maximum payment for direct labor is 1,000 and direct labor hour rate per hour is Rm 5 ringgit. Next, manufacturing overhead budget. Total variable manufacturing overhead for 3 months are 3,750 and then for the each month, October 1,000, November 1,250, December 1,500 and the total fixed manufacturing overhead for 3 months are the same 100, 550 and the total is 400, 650 and total manufacturing overhead for October 2,550, November 2,800, for December 3,050, total is 8,400. Indirect material costs include anchovies, which estimate to be Rm 1 ringgit per bottle. Next, I will pass it to my friend.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahirah Binti Noor. My metric number 25197. Okay, I will continue to explain about budget analysis, which is in financial budget. Okay, for the budget cash received, for the cash sale on October, is 18,000, November 22,500, December 2700, and then for the delivery surcharge revenue, we estimate that 500 box sale per month are delivering to Inesis will be charged on 2 ringgit. Then for to get total budget cash received, cash sale plus with delivery surcharge we get on October 19,000, November 23,500, December 28,000. Okay, then we continue with budget cash payment. Okay, budget cost material purchase that we calculate on the budget cash budget raw material we get on October 8320, November 10680, December 12200. We estimate that 70 of their raw material are paid on in current month, while 30% are paid in the following month. So to get cash paid for during purchase made 70%, October time but raw material October time with 70% we get 5824. November we get 7476. December we get 8540. For the cash paid for following month 30%, because we doesn't have on September, then on October 0. And to get following 30% ni, budget material purchase time with 30% we get on November 2496, November 10680 time with 30% we get on December 3204. Okay, for the cash paid for direct material, we must plus cash paid during purchase made and following cash paid for following month. We get October 5824, November 9972, December 11744. Cash paid for direct labor is 1,000 every month. For the manufacturing overhead, 2550 October, November 2800, December 3050. For the salary, we get 5,000 every month. Cash paid for petrol, 50 ringgit every month. And the purchase equipment, 300 on October only. Then to get a budget cash payment, we must plus direct labor with a direct material with direct labor, manufacturing overhead, salary, petrol, and equipment. Then we get on October 14724, November 18822, December 20844. Then to calculate account payable, total budget cash material purchase minus with cash paid during purchase made minus with cash paid for the following month. Then we get account payable 3660. Okay, for the cash budget, as we calculate on the previous slide, cash received, we get October 19,000, November 23,500, December 28,000, minus with cash payment that we calculate before, 14,724 October, November 18,822, December 20844. Then we get ending balance, beginning plus with cash received minus with cash payment, we get 4276. We bring to ending October, we bring to November, beginning November. Then we calculate for ending balance, we get 8954. 8954 we bring to beginning December. We calculate for ending, we get 16110. Then for the total ending balance, we get 16110. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you to my friend. Now I will continue with projected profit and loss and projected cash flow. Projected profit or loss for the period of October until December 2020. Total revenue 70,500 minus cost of goods sold 30,000, gross profit 40,500, total expenses 26,550, net profit 13,950. Budgeted cash payment, beginning cash balance October 0, total cash receipt 21,000, cash disbursement net for October 14,724, and the total cash flow for October 6,276. Beginning cash balance for November is 6,276, total cash receipt 23,500, total cash disbursement net 18,822, cash flow 4,678, ending cash balance 10,954, beginning cash balance for December 10,954, total cash receipt 28,000, total cash disbursement net 20,844, cash flow 7,156, and the ending cash balance for December is 18,110. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now I will continue the financial budget presentation, which is projected balance sheet. For projected balance sheet, we have non-current asset, current liability, and owner equity. Under non-current asset, we have equipment 300. Current asset, we have total current asset 19,310. Total asset 19,610. Current liability, we have 3,660. Owner equity, the total is 15,950. Total liability and owner equity is 19,610. So the balance for this balance sheet is 19,610. Next, we have business ratio. We have liquidity ratio, activity ratio, leverage ratio, and profitability ratio. Under liquidity ratio, we have current ratio and quit ratio. For current ratio, Resepi Sambal Shah have RM 5 ringgit and 32 cents in current assets for every 1 ringgit in current liability. For the quit ratio, for every 1 ringgit of current liability, this business has RM4 ringgit 99 cents of quit asset to pay for it. Next, under activity ratio, we have inventory turnover. The inventory sold off 26 times. The higher the inventory turnover ratio, the more efficiently this business is able to manage its inventory. For leverage ratio, we have debt ratio. This shows the percent of this business capital structure financed by debt. This business has 18.69 debt. 9% debt. For profitability ratio, we have profit margin. This business generates more than 15%, which is 20.67% in profit for every 1 ringgit in sale. That's all from me. Thank you very much.